In this video, we will cover how to perform daily oil filtration on the Vulcan ER Series fryer using computer controls and the built-in KleenScreen PLUS filtration system. Steps for equipment with analog controls are different, so see the operation manual available on the Vulcan website for instructions for A control models. Daily filtration helps extend oil life and maintain food quality. We recommend at least one quick filter per day and one thorough filter, using the hose at the end of each day. Before starting, ensure proper protective equipment is worn and the fryer is at a safe operating temperature. Remove baskets from the basket hanger and place aside. Open the fryer cabinet to access the filtration system. Give the drawer a slight nudge to ensure it is seated tightly. Slowly open the drain valve. The heating elements will automatically turn off. Allow oil to flow from the fry tank into the filter pan. Once flow begins, fully open the drain valve and empty the tank completely. Cold oil will not filter properly. Always filter oil between 250 degrees Fahrenheit and 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a fry brush to remove debris from tank surfaces. Direct debris toward the drain opening. Press and hold the filter button on the control panel. Once you hear a beep, you can remove your finger. You can hear the filter pump activate. Oil will pass through the KleenScreen PLUS system and return to the tank. Run the filtration for a couple of minutes for best results. Once you have completed the filtration cycle, close the drain valve. Oil from the filtration drawer will return to the fryer tank. Once the oil begins to have large bubbles, press the filter button to disengage the pump. The control screen will ask if the vat is full. Press the temp button. The gas burners will then re-engage to bring the oil back up to cooking temp. Top off oil as needed to stay within the min-max lines. If you have multiple units, repeat the filtering and returning oil process for each tank. Once the quick filtration is complete, open the filtration drawer and unclip the suction tube from the drawer to remove the filtration screen assembly. Scrape off all crumbs and debris with a rubber spatula into a waste receptacle and return the assembly to the drawer. Make sure that the filter drawer closes completely and that the suction tube and receptacle block are in the correct position. You are now ready for the next scheduled filtration. At the end of the day, repeat the quick filtration steps with the addition of the 4 or 6 foot heat-resistant discard hose and fully disassemble the KleenScreen PLUS filtration for washing. Drain the oil and clean the fry tank with the fryer brush toward the drain opening. Always filter oil between 250 degrees Fahrenheit and 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If necessary, use the cleanout rod to carefully stir the oil to an area above the cold zone where it will warm and push any stuck debris down the drain. Flip the switch to Use hose to rinse and fill position. Place the metal wand end of the hose inside the tank and always facing down. Put on heat-resistant gloves to attach the quick disconnect hose to the discard male quick disconnect fitting. An audible click occurs when fully connected. Slowly open the drain valve. The heating elements will automatically turn off. Allow oil to flow from the fry tank into the filter pan. Once flow begins, fully open the drain valve and empty the tank completely. Press and hold the filter button to engage the pump. Hot oil will flow through the hose, so continue wearing the gloves for protection. Use the hose wand to rinse debris on the bottom of the tank. Run the filtration for a few minutes for best results. Keep the hose wand facing down in the tank while closing the drain valve. When the tank is full, press the filter button and then the temp button. Wearing heat-resistant gloves, remove hose by releasing the quick disconnect. Raise the connector end of the hose in the air to expel any oil remaining in the hose. Open the filtration drawer and unclip the suction tube from the drawer to remove the filtration screen assembly. Scrape off metal mesh into the garbage using a rubber spatula and disassemble for washing. Run all filter metal parts through the dishwasher. Once all pieces are clean, reassemble and place them back in the filter drawer. Your KleenScreen PLUS system is now clean and ready for operation. For more information on maintenance and best practices, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.